Hey guys, this is Ryan Wertz. I'm representing the Dutchmen Astoria fifth wheels and travel trailers down from the factory today to point out some features on our newest floor plan, the Astoria 3603. Now I'm super excited about this floor plan. It's already been getting crazy attention on the retail side of things, so super excited that we can check one out today. So looking at the front here, it's going to have a lot of the same features that all of the Astoria Platinum Series fifth wheels will have. You get close to 12 feet of LED light in that front cap to really brighten that up at the campsite. All the Astoria fifth wheels will have the upgraded pin box to give you a little more cushion when you're towing this vehicle or when you're towing this trailer. Moving into some of the construction features. So all Astoria products will have vacuum bonded floors and walls. Now the cool thing about that is it's going to be a superior process than the pinch roll that is traditionally used in fifth wheels. It goes into a chamber, each wall goes into a chamber of the floor, and it's mechanically compressed, sucks all the air pockets out, so you really have a solid structure here. You got aluminum framing in all the walls and all of the Astoria products as well. One of the cool things too, we also do the HyperDeck composite flooring. So there's no wood in the floor, nothing that can absorb water and swell, which also cuts down on some of the weight as well, which makes it a really, really unique feature. You also have a high gloss gel coat. So you probably notice a little extra shine on this exterior, a little bit different than the typical Phylon exterior. What's nice about the high gloss gel coat, other than looking really nice, it'll actually protects that sidewall, keeps it from yellowing over time. As you kind of step back and look at this coach, you'll see two big, massive awnings that are on this Astoria Platinum Series. Anything with that door side slide box, you will have the double awning. You got big slam latch baggage doors with magnetic catches, so you're not holding that door up. And we actually put a huge LED light strip in that pass-through to give you a little extra light instead of a standard puck light. One of the cool things as well is we added solar prep up on top, so it's wired into the roof so that you can add a solar panel depending on what your camping needs are. Real nice outside speakers right out here underneath the awning. You got the wide friction hinge door, which is really cool because if it's a windy day, you don't want that door slamming around, but you can actually, it's got some resistance to it to make it that friction hinge. We do the Moride steps, which are really nice. They're really stable, really secure, and they fold up into that coach to give you some nice, easy storage. You got your grab handle right there instead of the little one that's attached. Outside entertaining area, so you have your TV mount and hookups are going to be right there as well. The cool thing about the Astoria products as well, on the fifth wheels, we do an all-weather thermal package. So we want to try to extend that camping season as long as possible. And how we do that is you got a heated and enclosed underbelly and enclosed gate valves as well. So that's actually ducted air into that underbelly to help keep everything warm in that underneath area. We also do a dual insulation wrap on the roof as well. You got your standard insulation, and we do a thermofoil wrap all the way into that front cap. And then all of your slide boxes are going to have a moisture barrier wrap and a thermofoil wrap just to give you that added insulation there. Now this fifth wheel is one of our bigger ones, and you'll actually get 6-point auto level with this. One touch, 6-point auto level. Very convenient when you're trying to set up camp. Makes it really easy. You can send one of the kids out to set this up. Now this one, we'll check a little bit more on the inside, but you've got a secondary door as well to give you a second access point either in or outside of the coach. And we do an outside kitchen on this one. So you got a little 2-burner cooktop with the fridge. Nice for if you're outside entertaining. And then moving around to the back, we've got your backup camera prep. All Astoria products will have a fully laminated rear wall. So you're not going to have a hung rear wall that could potentially give you problems. extra storage with the baggage door here. We're going to take a peek at what this leads to once we get on the inside. But then we also have the 2-inch receiver hitch with these little wings on it. Now when you see those little wings, that'll actually give you a 3,000-pound tow rating. So those are, you can attach your safety chains to. So a ton of cool stuff on this Astoria 3603. I think it's going to become one of our #1 sellers. Let's go take a peek and see what we got on the inside. And now we are inside the Astoria 3603. Very cool new floor plan that we just came out with that I think you're going to really like. So similar to the other Astoria Platinum Series fifth wheels, it's going to have a 50-inch TV, a 40-inch fireplace. Again, standard features. You got tons of extra cabinet and storage space in this entertainment area. Even added a couple frosted glass panels to store some of that extra stuff right around your entertainment center. Big fridge. You got your 12 cubic foot gas electric refrigerator, 21-inch oven, and your bigger microwave in that kitchen area. We took that backsplash all the way around and added the little pop-up recep just to give you some additional plugs and things like that. You can never have too many plugs. One of my favorite features on the Astoria product is our countertops. So you have a solid surface countertops with the LED light strip in the countertop, which really gives you some cool accent lighting for this inside. We added LED light strips under the island itself and put a couple extra outlets in that island. One of the cool things we also tried to do was take a lot of those floor registers out so that they're not collecting toy cars, dust, dirt, things like that. And so we put a lot of the ductwork inside the cabinetry. Now I'm going to kind of move around this side so you can see the big super slide in this coach. You got your theater seating right here with your cup holders that recline. You have your dinette with those full extension drawer glides to give you some extra storage underneath that dinette. You can also pop that table down and give you some extra sleeping capacity. And you have huge windows. So that's one of the things that people love about the Astoria product is we do as big of windows as possible to let as much of that natural light in as we can. Now, I had mentioned earlier about the construction features and some of the cool things that we do to try to add as much value into this coach as possible. One of those things that gets unnoticed sometimes is the hardwood. So you have hardwood in all your fascia panels, cabinet doors, and drawers. Now, where a lot of brands will go to a wrapped MDF, the problem is that it's almost a paper on the outside. So with humidity, things like that, you'll get cracking and peeling. So with the hardwood, we're really building this to last you and your family a while. So even added some extra LED lights behind the fascia panels to give you some extra lighting there as well. Now we're going to kind of move this direction because I want to show you this massive double door pantry. I hear it all the time at shows. There's never enough storage in RVs. So we're going to try and put that to the test with the Astoria 3603. Tons of extra storage here to give you, pack as much of that food so you can stay at the campsite as long as you can. Now we're going to move up into the bedroom and bathroom area. And we added this nice little grab handle to give you a little more stability coming up those stairs. Now as we peek into the bathroom, I had referenced that the Astoria fifth wheels had won mid-profile fifth wheel of the year last year, and the bathroom is a huge reason why. So you have dual sinks in the bathroom, his and hers, gives you tons of extra countertop space, extra storage underneath the sinks, but we did not sacrifice the size of that shower. That's another thing people always are asking for is bigger showers. So we kept that big shower in there with the seat. You got a porcelain toilet. And we also put a window in that bathroom to let a little extra light in. So the bathrooms have gone over really, really well with customers. They really enjoy the extra space in that bathroom. Now we're going to be entering into the bedroom. So in the Platinum Series, it's going to be all king bed slides. So that slide's going to give you a lot more room in the bedroom to walk around. You got your roller shades just like you have in the bedroom area or in the living area. You also have a huge front wardrobe to give you a lot of extra closet space. And then in this cabinet right to my right, you got hookups for washer dryer prep. So you can remove those shelves and get your washer dryer prep. We put a big window right here and added a TV. Again, a standard feature on the Astoria products. One of the cool things too is we'll do dual ducted air conditioners. So you'll have the air conditioners in the back, and then it actually is ductwork in the ceiling to give you a little extra, to help cool it down a little faster. And you have your separate thermostat in the bedroom to keep things cool. Now let's go check out that rear loft, which I think you're gonna like. And folks, we are now in the rear loft area, which if I was gonna buy this RV, this is the area I would hang out in a lot. I've got two younger brothers, and growing up, this would be a dream for us. So this is the rear loft area. You've got a queen bed here. Also right above me, you have an additional queen bed. So whether it's kids that are bigger growing up or another family that wants to join in the fun at the campsite, this gives you a lot of extra flexibility and a lot of extra room to bring that along. So you've got hookups for a TV, the little entertainment center up there. We've got a massive wardrobe spot down in this lower bunk. You got big windows to give you that natural light. Roller shades are added as well. Bunks. Another cool feature is we've got a half bath. So this is one of the few mid-profile fifth wheels that's going to have a half bath with it. So you've got the front bedroom and bathroom up front, and then this additional bathroom and bedroom in the back area. All right, and now if you remember on that back side of the coach, I was saying those baggage doors, there was something I wanted to show you. So the cool thing about this is if you peek under here, you will actually have some extra access to that storage space. So tons of extra storage space that you can really utilize as you pack everything up. So thank you for coming and checking out the Astoria 3603. We hope that you come and buy a couple.